Honorable judges, teachers, and my dear friends, a very good morning to you all. As we know, today we are gathered here to celebrate the 73rd Republic Day of our country. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. It's the day the Constitution of India was adopted in 1950 after attaining independence on 15th August 1947. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar headed the drafting committee of the Constitution. This day reminds us of our freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to get us freedom. It's because of their struggle India became a sovereign state where each citizen has the right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. The day also commemorates Indian citizens' power to choose their government democratically. The main celebration of Republic Day is held at the Rajpath, New Delhi, before the Honorable President of India. On this day, grand parades take place at Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India's unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. I would like to wind up my speech followed by a moment of silence for the great leaders and freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives so that we can live in a democratic nation. Once again, wishing each and every one a very happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.